DTQ European Electric Hoist Lifting Reducer. Products with reference to FAN, European Association of Machinery Handling. Standard design of electric hoist lifting drive system. The case is treated with a 356 aluminum alloy T6, 3-stage parallel shaft gear reducer, and the integration of the motor brake. The mounting interface is consistent with the international similar products. Highly interchangeable. Gears are made of low-carbon alloy steel, carburized and ground gears to reduce noise and increase life. Suitable for single girder traveling crane lifting and hoist lifting.